Did you know that Gandhi's peaceful revolution was powered by ancient Greek philosophy? While studying law in London, a young Gandhi discovered Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus. Their Stoic teachings changed everything. The Stoics taught a simple truth. You cannot control what others do to you. You can only control how you respond. This became the foundation of Gandhi's Satyagraha, his truth force movement. Every morning, Gandhi read Marcus Aurelius' meditations. He practiced Stoic fasting to build inner discipline. He once said the Stoics taught him that suffering is optional. When Gandhi planned the famous Salt March, he structured it like a Stoic exercise. Accept what you cannot control. Act on what you can. The British controlled the laws, but they could not control Gandhi's response to those laws. He walked 240 miles to the sea, not in anger but in quiet strength. Ancient Greek wisdom powered the most successful peaceful revolution in history. The obstacle became the path. Inner strength created outer change. Sometimes the oldest truths are exactly what we need today.